Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis and
Jami.
Jami Bolhuis with you today. This is my daughter Jami. If you didn't see my other video that she helped me do, we're back for a second video. She is home for Christmas. She lives in Missouri, and I'm trying to get her to be more involved in my business and stamping more. So I thought how fun to just do a couple of videos while she's here. She's actually my assistant, and she sends out the thank you cards. So I thought, well, let's make a bunch of thank you cards so we can send them back to Missouri for her. So today we're playing with the Notes of Notes of Kindness card kit. I have a whole handful here. This is actually, what, 16 cards, because you're going to make 4 of them. This card kit is beautiful, guys, and it's easy enough for even Jami to do.
Super easy.
I would definitely call her a beginner stamper, but she loves to send cards, which is great. I love to see this generation sending cards as well. So we're going to go through these cards with you. I'm going to have Jami actually make one of each, because there's 4 different designs. The kit, you get to make 5 of each, so you get to really stock up on those thank you cards. And if you order from me probably in the next month or so as she's sending out thank you cards,
you might get one.
One of these might be what you get, because she's the one that sends all my thank you cards. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera down. I want to show you the kit, and then we're going to get right to stamping. Well, actually, you're not even doing much for stamping.
No.
It's more putting these beautiful cards together. So let's flip it down and show you the kit. I'm on page 7 of the annual catalog, and I know sometimes we kind of miss over these first couple of pages, but this kit is shown right here, and it's an all-inclusive kit. So it's absolutely perfect for people that don't have a lot of supplies. You don't need to buy a lot of extra things. Actually, you just need adhesive. But these cards are gorgeous. The kit's only $35, people, and you make 20 cards. And the best part is they even do refills on this one. So you can purchase a refill for $21 once you've done, gotten the full kit, because you want the stamps with it. And I mean, it's really $1 a card, and they're really beautiful handmade thank you cards. So we're going to set this aside. I will have all of these products listed for you. There'll be a link in the description so that you can find the blog post, and make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel here. I come to you probably 3 times a week, and all of my videos show you quick and easy cards, whether they're card kits or just purchasing your own supplies to make quick and easy cards. So that's not what we're here for. We want to get to making the cards. So I'm going to actually turn you over to Jami, and she's kind of sorted the supplies so she has just what she needs to make 1 of each design. Like I said, the kit will make 5 of each design. She's already made 4 of each one, and I made her save everything to go ahead and do 1 of each for you guys. So without further ado, Jami, let's show them card number 1.
Hey.
Now, she's new to making videos, so...
Am I supposed to talk through this?
Yes, you're supposed to talk as you do.
As we do. Do we show what it's going to look like first?
Nope, you put it together first.
Okay.
So, the really fun thing about this card kit is your card bases are all printed for you, and they're so cute. This one has the little stripes on it, and then the pieces, as you can see that she's putting on there, are an adhesive-backed cardstock. So it's not like a cheesy little sticker. There's some substance to it. Now what you doing, Jami?
We're going to put this on here. And I will say, I was kind of just doing it, and I asked Mom if there was a better way, and apparently how I did it is the right way, which is good.
You did awesome.
Maybe. Now I'm not going to be able to do it now that I'm all this pressure of being on camera.
Like we said, we always want to keep things simple. And simple doesn't mean boring. These cards are not boring looking at all. And then...
Except you want to explain this little trick?
Yep, we're just using a piece of good old-fashioned Scotch tape to hold this down on here. I think there's a place in your stamp room for all different adhesives, and they all have a different purpose. Scotch tape is one of those adhesives that I use a lot for little things like that.
Okay.
Now the next piece, she's actually punching it out. This one does not have adhesive on it because she's going to use dimensionals to stick it down. You know me and dimensionals. I like to call it Stampin' Crack, Jami. Because you have to use it every day and on every card that you make. So we're going to just stick those, add some dimension to our card. Stick that right over that cord that you put down.
Okay.
And then this sheet had all kinds of punch out pieces to use for the greetings. We've stamped them already on here so she wouldn't have to stamp as she's so nervous making her card. but that's part of the stamp set. You'll see this nice big, what's this one? You're So Kind. And it just stamped nice on the punch out. This is actually, it looks like one of our stitch dies to make this. You got the little stitching on there. And then go ahead and put that with some dimensionals.
And that's it.
That's it. There's the first card. So we'll set that one aside. We'll bring in the pieces for the second card.
Okay. So here's the pieces for card number 2.
Now this one has kind of the little, I don't know, what do you call it? Floral branch
Something,
already
yep.
printed on the card. So we're just going to fold our card in half. And you're doing kind of the same thing with the cord on this one, right?
Yeah.
You know, this, in your other stamping, you could do the same concept with a piece of ribbon or twine. You know, it just adds a nice little touch on there. I think you're so curly because you're at the very end of the spool of this. Here, I'll give you a piece of Scotch tape.
Yeah.
There you go.
There we go.
Snip it off. And then this one has the big rose. This one also is just a punch out, but these look so pretty. They look like they're hand watercolored. Like I said, for a card kit, there's nothing cheesy looking about these. This card kit is one that you would be very proud to make these cards and send them to someone as a homemade card. So, but this kit is great, like I said earlier, for people that don't have a lot of supplies, or for new people that want to start with card making and you're kind of overwhelmed and not sure where to start. A kit is the perfect place to get started.
Okay.
And then this one has, I guess we'll call them stickers.
Yeah.
And they just pop off of there, and they actually come off really good with all the little pieces. It's kind of fun when you first look at this. I thought we had way more than we needed, but they have other languages. So if you want to put Danka or Mercy, I don't know, is that how you say it, Mercy or Mercy? I don't know.
Don't really know.
Don't know the accent on that. But then the thank you just sticks down. And then this one, I think we added, there's some self-adhesive pearls that come in the kit. So we'll add a couple of those on here. And then that'll be the second thank you card out of the kit. Hey, Jami, you're doing awesome. There we go. There's card number 2.
Okay, so now we have everything we need for card number 3. We're just going to start. Again, just some stickers, self-adhering. Is that?
Self-adhesive cardstock.
Okay, sorry. I'm learning, guys. I'm learning.
Oh.
Pop that on there.
You're getting good with that cord.
I am.
This one, Scotch tape's got to be pretty narrow.
Yeah, you got it. I made that mistake on the first one.
I'll just stick that on like so.
Perfect.
Here, I'll even help you punch these out
Ooh.
since we know you know how to punch them out now. Put a couple of dimensionals on there.
I was just doing one.
Or one, yeah, one's actually
Just need one. I guess that's where you say they're crack.
Stampin' crack. Put that on.
Pop that on there. I'll just add a couple pearls as well. This one's probably the easiest of. Oh. It's a little crooked, but you know, there we go. And there's number 3. That's it. That's an easy one.
That's an easy one. So let's move on to number 4.
Okay, so we have everything for number 4 now, and this one we actually get to do a little bit of stamping as well. But we're going to start by our self-adhesive cardstock.
Good job.
Is that right?
That's right.
Okay.
Just saves you from having to put the adhesive on it.
I appreciate that.
I love the watercolor wash that's on the background of this one.
Okay.
This one, you're just stamping a couple of these little cross hatches. Like I said, the thanks, the different greetings, we stamped all of these ahead of time for you. So there was stamping when you do go to make these cards. And as soon as she's done with this one, I'll show you what I did to the inside of all the other ones that we made ahead of time.
Okay, and then we're just gonna add a quick little bow to this one. See if I was bragging about my bow making skills earlier today, so I'm sure I'm gonna mess it up now.
You tie a great bow, Jami. And then for this, we're just gonna use a glue dot for the adhesive to stick it on. So I'll let Jami show you how she did that.
See?
Good bow. Good job.
Okay. So I just kind of rolled it off onto my thumb or my nail, and I kind of just roll it together to glob it up because the knot with the bow isn't super big. So I just kind of roll it and just stick it on there. And then that way it's kind of hidden underneath the knot a little bit. And there we have it, number 4.
Didn't she do great, guys? If you liked her cards, leave a comment. Let's show Jami some love so she believes that people really like them. But here's all the other ones we made ahead of time. Like I said, you get to make 5 of each. And then I did use the stamps in each one of these. I also stamped either "You're so kind" or "Thank you" and the little bit branch there that's also part of the stamp set. And then super cute are the envelopes that come with it. They do have the print on the inside as well. And you know my saying, we never send naked envelopes. And I thought, well, these are really cute, but we close them so they're naked. So I did take all of the envelopes and I just stamped the little sprig on it to add something to it. Well, there you go. It doesn't get any easier than that, and they really are pretty. Did you like making them?
Yes.
So she did a great job. Like I said, leave us a comment. Show Jami love. Let her know that you enjoyed watching her first. Well, actually, this is the second video we did too while she's home. But thank you, guys. If you need a Stampin' Up catalog, let me know. If you have any questions about anything, make sure you let me know. And stay tuned for lots more quick and easy card making videos. Hopefully, we'll call Jami in to do some more with us. So until we get to stamp with you again, have a stamp happy day.